Hello dear colleagues and friends, welcome to BST YouTube channel. It is Denis, Head of International Sales Department. You already know that we are actively implementing the business model which is called selling drilling rigs from stock in African countries. And right now we are dispatching more and more drilling rigs to our local partners in Africa so that they could resell our drilling rigs to local population. If you know, not long ago we dispatched a very big container with 13 drilling rigs to our partners in Zambia, Kenya and Tanzania. And this container is already traveling by sea to the port of Dar es Salaam in Tanzania. And today we are happy to inform that we are dispatching the next batch to our trustful and reliable partner in Nigeria. The name of the company is GEO-SORE Multi-Transaction, and the director of this company, our partner, is Mr. Omisore Samuel. So we are dispatching two drilling rigs, GBU 30L and GBU 54L, to our reliable partner. And everybody in Nigeria will be able to buy these drilling machines. So stay tuned and you will see how we dispatch these rigs from our factory. The first drilling rig to be supplied to our Nigeria partner is called GBU 30L. It is the best seller in BST company right now. This drilling rig operates in many African countries. So this is the drilling machine, which is equipped with two diesel engines, 15 horsepower each. Totally you will get 30 horsepower. Using this drilling rig, you will be able to drill water boreholes to the maximum depth of 120 meters. Besides, it is the universal drilling machine, and besides drilling of water boreholes, you can use this drilling rig for geological exploration. This machine can drill with augers and with core pipes. So, dear friends, this wonderful and state-of-the-art machine will be available in Nigeria very soon. The second drilling rig to be supplied is called GBU 54L. It is the petrol drilling machine, meaning that the type of fuel which it uses is petrol. The main characteristic of this rig is that it can drill up to 150 meters maximum. So if you compare GBU 30L and GBU 54L, this one will be more powerful. You will be able to drill deeper water boreholes using this drilling machine. Also, it is a universal drilling rig. It can be used for geological exploration, to drill with augers and with core pipes. This model GBU 54L is equipped with the mast, which is designed for tools 1.5 meters. With the scope of supply, you will receive 100 pipes, 1.5 meters each, which will allow you to drill maximum to the depth of 150 meters. Besides, this model GBU 54L can be used for geological exploration. It can drill with augers or with core pipes to the maximum depth of approximately 30 meters. So, dear friends, the delivery of these drilling rigs will consist in 2 stages. Number 1, from our city in Chelyabinsk, it will be delivered to our partner in Armenia by truck, which has left our factory right now. So it will deliver the cargo to the port, to the city of Yerevan. And the second stage will include delivery from the city of Yerevan already by sea. So there will be reloading to the 20-feet container of this cargo, and then delivery will be effected through the port of Georgia to the final port of Lagos in Nigeria. So we complete all of our deliveries using our reliable forwarder in Armenia, which helps us in order to complete all of our supplies from BST factory to African partners and to African customers. So, as a conclusion, we can say that dispatch of these 2 drilling rigs has been completed successfully. Now the rigs will be on the way to our partner GEO-SORE multi-transactions, and very soon these drilling rigs will be available in Nigeria. You are welcome to place your orders for these state-of-the-art drilling rigs produced by BST company. In order to contact BST and our local authorized representative in Nigeria, you will find all contact details below. My phone number is +79 22 239 0155. You can send your messages in WhatsApp. Thank you for staying with BST, and remember, BST company helps you get money from underground.